If looking for lake living at its finest, your home. Beautiful property and breathtaking views on main body of lake in this gated property. 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths and 1 half bathroom. Open living, dining, and kitchen area with 18-foot vaulted ceilings and stained concrete flooring throughout. A bay of large windows across the back provides amazing lake views and shimmering sunsets off the water. Master bedroom is downstairs with separate shower and tub and a large walk-in closet. Back patio leads to amazing metal-covered deck with outdoor kitchen for cooking and entertaining. Outside TV mount and cable installed to watch the big game while enjoying all the comforts that lake living can offer. This oversized owned lot is just shy of an acre and has almost 200 feet of lakefront access with eco-friendly drainage system.